that we are using aptitude scientific or proven aptitude tests for finding out the best skills and potentials of each and every student. And the third one is a kind of a 1 year prolonged mentoring activities. We are leading the students, finding out his aptitude, his interest, and his potentials in a span of 1 year, and putting him into a specific career orbit. These are the three major areas we are focusing in our activities at our offices in Middle East.
एजुकेशन के दीवानों के लिए शारजा मुत्तहिदा अरब इमारात में कैरियर गुरु ने अपना आगाज़ कर दिया। कैरियर गुरु जो कि स्टूडेंट्स और वालदैन के लिए तालीम के लिए गाइडेंस देने के लिए शारजा में दामास टावर में अपनी नई ब्रांच शुरू कर दी। इसका इफ्तिताह शारजा रॉयल फैमिली के हिज हाइनेस शेख अब्दुल अजीज़ हुमैद अल कासमी, नामवर कैरियर एक्सपर्ट और कैरियर गुरु के CEO एम जलील और YAB लीगल सर्विसेज के CEO सलाम पापेंसरी ने मिलकर किया। कैरियर गुरु साइंटिफिकली एजुकेशन के मसाइल को हल करने के लिए अपनी तजावीज़ देते हैं। कैरियर गुरु 13 सालों से केरला इंडिया में ये खिदमत सर अंजाम दे रही है और ओवरसीज़ में पहली मरतबा अपनी ब्रांच शारजा में शुरू की है। सीनियर डायरेक्टर ऑफ फाइनेंशियल एकेडमी MD कैरियर गुरु फ़िरोज़ बाबू, मोहम्मद अब्दुर्रहमान अल सवेदी और बहुत से दूसरे लोगों ने इसमें शिरकत की। मीडिया से गुफ्तगू करते हुए मुख्तलिफ मुकर्रीरीन का कहना था,
what suggestion you are giving to Mr. Jalil and the career group?
It's my experience, who is coming for outside country for here to here, starting the business. Totally, government of UAE is giving big support. That is why I already invite him. He also, that's the way he already came, because of my motto, because UAE is the best, and especially I am staying Sharjah, and Sharjah also best, because I am last month purchased the land also. It's full is my name, because what you call them is the home, and what you call for making for the office also. Then I am very happy for this. That is why the specialist thanks to government of UAE and our guest Highness Sheikh Abdul Aziz.
Yes. So we see always His Excellency Sheikh coming always behind you, back you.
Yes.
But you can say.
Yes. Anytime we are calling. Sometimes I am calling 12 o'clock night, and and last month he's in Kerala, and yes, in Sajjarian's housewarming, and is always he also, and government of UAE related people also, and they are supporting to the people. Then we like. As why I have to plan to my house build here, because of I like here. I like my country also. This is my what you call the country who's supporting to us. It's my life.
Thank you so much. So nice of you.
Okay.
Yeah, actually, this is exclusively. It's not an exclusive program for Indians or Malayalis, but actually it's for everyone who would like to improve their career choices, get into a correct suitable career choices. Will help everybody, because we are using a universal holistic aptitude test. And the aptitude test is like it's a bilingual aptitude test. There'll be the aptitude test will be in 7 languages: English, Arabic, Hindi, Malayalam, and again Telugu, Kannada, Tamil. So the entire aptitude test will cover everybody in UAE.
So this is the first branch of career guidance. You are in future you have to be like thinking about Dubai or Abu Dhabi, other branches as well.
Yeah, actually we started our operation in UAE with Sharjah office, and we hope that later on we'll spread out our wings to other Emirates. I think so, and into other Middle East countries also. That's what the entire GCC, I think. And then after this Sharjah means office, we'll start our Dubai and Abu Dhabi offices.
Yeah, and he's asking supporting for the government of UAE. What you feel, because you are the new venture. Yeah. What is the support for the government of UAE is asking?
So actually we are preparing our aptitude test in Arabic, so we'd like to give the support for the entire Middle East city. I mean, GCC citizens. The way we are trying to spread out wings. Like
His Excellency, what you will say regarding Mr. Jalil Career Guidance also started here?
I wish for them all the best
Yes.
in UAE, and inshallah this career group, it will be growing up, not even in UAE, we are planning also on GCC. Thank you.
Thank you.